me show you how to fix the Instagram ad mention feature if it's not working on your phone. This is a recent bug with Instagram, so always update your app to get latest version, but also fix any of those old bugs. Now, normally on Instagram on your iPhone or Android, you should be able to go through the process of mentioning somebody. Essentially, by mentioning somebody, you're tagging them in that story or their post, and it allows them to repost it if they want to share it and all of those different things. But if that's not working, the first thing that you can do is try to update the Instagram app. So you can just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. And if there is an option to update it, just update it to the latest version. However, that doesn't always fix the issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, I would highly recommend going into your settings app of your phone. And then we're going to go through the process of offloading the app and then reinstalling it. The reason why we do this is it clears all of the cache and temporary files, and it force updates it to the latest version, giving you all of the latest features. Now, this is available on the iPhone, but on Android, all you need to do is clear the cache and clear the storage on that app, and then wait till it reinstalls. If that's still not working, all we're going to do is go to a web browser, and we're just going to search and see if Instagram is down. If Instagram is down, then essentially that mention or the tagging feature is not working because there's an issue with Instagram itself. You just need to wait until it's back up and running. And at that point, when it's back up and running, you can open it up and use that feature normally.